Alaska is a land where nature still sets the rules. As the largest state in the United States, it captivates visitors with its breathtaking scale. Towering glaciers, snow-covered mountains, endless forests, and thousands of miles of untouched coastline. Here, bears, whales, sea otters, and bald eagles thrive, while humans remain nothing more than respectful guests in this rugged yet incredibly beautiful wilderness. Even today, many parts of Alaska have no roads at all. The only way to reach them is by air or by sea. That isolation has preserved their pristine beauty, leaving these places almost unchanged for centuries. Today, our journey takes us to one of these remarkable places. Geographic Harbor, hidden among towering mountains on Alaska's remote coastline. This secluded bay can only be reached by boat. That is why everyone who arrives here feels like a true explorer. Ahead of us lies one of the wildest and most breathtaking corners of North America. If you enjoyed this video, please support it. Like this video. Leave a comment. Share it with your friends. Gotta subscribe so you don't miss my next adventures. Thank you for your support.